So we are walking down Downing Street, and you can see the house beginning to emerge. Let's see, there's the truck and the house, and Laura is right around here somewhere. There's Laura. So we're going to go in through the garage with Laura leading the way. Alright, so this was the driveway. The actual finished driveway is actually going to be a few feet closer to the fence than the contemporary construction driveway, so we will have more room to turn. But this is coming in. You can see the side of the house coming down. This gets in the driveway. Those are bathtubs for the 3 non-master bathrooms. Coming in. Hopefully the lighting will pick up here a little bit. Might have should have come earlier in the day. So we're coming through here. The garage. This is where we step up into the hallway here. There's a coat closet right over there. I don't know if it's hard to see. It's probably too dark in here, so I might have to do this again tomorrow. This is the great room. So you can see all of the windows. That door back there is to the screen porch. So coming over here, this corner is the kitchen. This is the stairs. So there's the front door.
Is it going to be a double door?
It will be a double door. Alright, so that's where the front porch is going to be.
So there's going to be like a platform so we can just walk out?
Yeah, this will all be a porch.
Oh.
Even with the floor here. So this comes in the front door, and you can see that is the dining room over there, and over here is the music room. There's Laura playing air guitar. So the bar will be back over this way, leading us over into the, sorry about that, into the office. It's kind of dark, obviously. There's a window in the office. This closet will have all the electronics in it. This is a bathroom here that you really can't see.
It's really dark.
Yeah, and then this is back out into the great room. So let's go
Up the stairs.
up the stairs. So here's the stairs. All right, I'll let Laura describe this part.
Is it pointing toward me?
Yep.
This is the playroom, and Daddy was thinking maybe over here we could have a TV for the playroom. And I'm thinking maybe we can have like a couch, maybe say here or
Yeah, the couch will go right there, Laura.
here.
Okay.
We have 2 couches.
Yeah.
And maybe a few chairs over here so we have a good view of the TV. And I'm really looking forward to this. Maybe like a table in the middle. And that is our playroom.
Okay.
And as you can see, right where the TV will be, there is a window next to it, which is a perfect view out to
Yeah.
TV.
Yeah, the TV will actually probably be right there, Laura, right on that
It'll
wall.
be over there.
Yeah, right. Well, it's in this corner. It'll be in this corner. Realize I'm not a very good cameraman. I'm sure it's jerking around quite a bit. All right, what room is this, Laura?
My room.
Your room.
And I want my bed to be like from like here when the wall is built, so it's a flat surface from here. Like however large my bed is, coming down this way. And then maybe my table could be right next to it with the chairs and the keyboard. What else do I have in my room?
Well, show your closet.
I could probably put a rug like here, and here is my window,
Yeah.
which is also a perfect view,
Mm-hmm.
just farther away. And this will be my closet. I'm sure there will be like a hole built into the wall that we can reach up and put hangers on. And this is my very own closet, and I'm probably going to put my shoes like along some sides or something. Maybe keep it more organized than it is now.
It may be.
Yeah.
All right, let's show her James's room.
Okay. This is James's room. When Rosie came and saw this room, we pretended we were invading it. And we talked to James out of his window, which is right in the center. And it has a perfect view of the trees. And maybe we can take that path down there, and we can show you the other way to the railroad tracks. And so this will be James's closet, probably quite like mine, but maybe a different color walls or something.
All right, let's talk about your bathroom. This will be dark again, but you can, I'll step back to kind of try to get a little more light on the thing. It's probably too dark to see.
There are two separate rooms of the bathroom. This is for sinks like brushing your teeth and stuff. And so if one of us is going to the bathroom and the other one needs to brush their teeth, this is the bathroom right in here, but it's blocked by all these wires.
Yeah.
So there will be a door here, and you can go to the bathroom, and then here are sinks and stuff.
Okay.
On that side.
All right, well, let's go on up
Again.
so this is coming up the stairs. Not much. Again, the iPad's not picking up the ambient light. This is the laundry room. Yeah, it's really dark, so I don't think they can't see it. This is the snoring room here. This is the view
Daddy snores.
out of the back.
Daddy, don't drop that.
Yeah. And then coming over here, this is the master
Mommy.
area. All right, so we've got a couple windows in here. This is really the best view in the house, right out of this window, overlooking Hitchcock Woods.
I just touched the roof.
Yeah, you sure did. Over here, this is the master closet
Mommy has a big closet.
right here. So it's a pretty big room here.
And if you have noticed, they are gigantic windows.
Yeah,
I bet that's even taller than me.
it is. It's 6 feet tall.
Oh my gosh, that's taller than me.
Yeah.
Can you believe that?
It's just about as tall. It's a little taller than me.
I doubt so.
No, they're 6 feet tall. I'm 5'11". All right, this is the master bath here. The sink will be along that wall. The toilet will be back in this little alcove cutaway here, and this whole area here will be. On the ground, you can see what it looks like. That whole area there is going to be a shower.
Whoa.
So coming back out of the master, we have a guest bathroom right there, top of the stairs. And then over here is the guest room, which I know you're very interested in. So this is a nice size room. Got two nice windows in it.
And it's really
Yeah, well, it's near, but once the walls go up, it'll be a long walk. This is the guest room closet over here. There's Laura walking through the framing of the guest room closet.
What's this room?
That is a little closet at the end of the hallway.
Ooh,
So we have a couple little closets hanging out around and about.
I like the shape.
And that is the whole house. I guess the last thing I didn't show you was the, I'm going back down the stairs, with the view out the screen porch, which I'm going to show you here.
This is a long video.
Shortly. Also, really nice view. Just not quite as high up as the bedroom.
Don't drop that again. Daddy, you're standing on the edge.
Yep, I know.
Hold it with 2 hands.
I'm all right, Laura. All right. And that is the new house.
Bye.